Alright guys, welcome. If you remember the last episode, I got this truck and I put on sale my beautiful van. But until we wait for correct price, let's put this in the storage and let's take the van out because I still need money. I got like 25 or 26k, so yeah, that's a lot. Need the money for converting the truck, which yeah, it's a lot of money, but I hope. Oh look, oh my god, what is that pricing, dude? Like marketplace, like look at this. Submit this offer. Let's see, maybe we can take 34, 29 minus 50. $30 minus 500. If he wants, okay. If no. 36, 33, 31. No. I'm gonna wait. Deny. I'm gonna wait. Maybe someone is gonna come with a better offer. No, thank you. Oh, look at this suspension kit. 900 meters. That's not a lot. And quite okay money. Where do I have to go? Oh, this is very, very close, to be honest. Like 900 kilometers, and I have like $50 X8 or 7, which is not bad. But yeah, thinking that it's like very close, I can gain some experience for the cargo. Look at this guy. I know I have red, but who cares? Who stays at red? Holy fuck! Look at this guy. 80k only. That's not good. Come on, don't stop there. I just hit my car. The steering of this car is so slow. It's okay. He's still hit it too. It's a minor damage. I mean, it's not minor, but come on, who cares? I'm selling this car, so where it is here. Oh, in the interior there. It's a suspension kit, so of course it's at the mechanic. Alright. Gonna park like this. Perfect. Drop off. Take some money. Okay. Cargo delivery skill 3. Yeah, that's very good. Do we have something here? Holy moly. 900 kilometers again. That's not big. 60 pieces. I think my engine is overheating. Because it's kinda it's a little bit slower than before. It is probably overheating. Because the radiator is cooked. So I think after this one, how much money do I have? 90k. After this one, probably I will go to fix the car. Because I don't want to blow the engine, come on. 29. Well, that's a good price. Okay, let's stop here. Let's stop right here. That's a very good price. Right. Maybe I can talk. Oh, I can't negotiate. Well, no thank you, lady. Probably I can negotiate because the cars have damage. But I will go to repair. No problem. It's gonna fix the problem. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Drop off. A lot of money. 600. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh, someone just give me 31. That's insane. Wait. I can negotiate. But I can't because look, the car it's... Oh my god, it's damaged. So I can't. You can sell it like this, which is normal. Alright, let's go. Let's fix it and let's sell it. Because I need that money for the truck. Oops. Let's collect some money. I have 21k. That's not bad. Yeah. Now we need to wait. Okay. Yeah, let's see a little bit here. So, my vehicles. So this guy gave me okay. Now I can sell the car. Let's see. Can I? Marketplace. Okay, let's negotiate with this one first. Like this. If I can take 35 or 34, that's very good. 28! Woman. Or man. Rocho. Come on. And hell nah. You know what? Minus 50. If you don't give me, go bye bye. Okay, screw you. I have someone else. Here. Helen. Helen, no. She knows. This car. It's good. Give me more money. If she gives me 34, it's okay. 33. I can lower a little bit. It's gonna give me a 34 or 35. 34. I take it, Tot. Thank you. It was a pleasure to make business with you. We have money. We are rich. Okay, now let's take the truck out. Retrieve. Alright, and now let's use the computer so we can modify it. Long frame? No, I need this one. It's gonna cost 29k. And blah 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 blah. Let daylights, blah blah blah. Okay, let's pay. Okay, now the car, it's modified. It's quite good. And now we can go and make money. A lot of money. But I have 35k, so I think I can buy a car. Nom nom nom. Query private, solid, trusted, auto sales. Sahara. I want to take a cheap car and turn it expensive. Solid. Too expensive. Rich. Too expensive. Quality. Too expensive. Private. I'm not gonna buy this. Not even this. Oh, this one. 85. 7 grand. And this one is looks okay. Wait, I can buy from the phone? Marketplace. Oh, I can't. That's bad. That's bad. You know what? I'm gonna buy this cheap car. Take the taxi. Yes. I will make it very nice. Look at this. Looks beautiful. 85 horsepower. That's not wow, but come on, who cares? The interior looks good. Let's see. I think it's 1.6 engine, no? Probably. Negotiate. It's gonna be okay. I will lower the price, of course. It's the patient, it's okay. You know what? I'm gonna take it. Insurance. We're gonna get the this one. Okay. Purchase 8k. That's not bad. And let's. No, I wanted to tow the car. Towing. Chinatown. That's very good. After we come back, I'm gonna modify the car. But now, I have to do some business. Where should I go? I don't think so I can go there. Probably here. Probably. Let's see. Oh my god. Alright. I don't think I can make deliveries from here. Who knows? Maybe I can. Oh, I can. Nah, this is trailers. They're small. Look at this guy. What are you doing, man? What the hell? Okay, let's hope here we have something. Do we have something? No. Maybe here? Let's go. Okay, we're almost here. Let's hope we can take something. Like, here's a very big place. Oh yes. Oh yes. Finally. 7k. Hell yeah. That's a quartz. Okay, let's take the quartz. Oh. Yeah, finally. What the moly? Hello, BMG. I'm curious if my 250 powers can deliver this thing. We have like 4 kilometers to go, dude. And if I climb, I'm scared that this truck can't make it. I mean, of course I have first and second gear, but like I'm going now so slow. Ah, man. Alright. Let's hope I can make it. Oh yeah. But I'm gonna climb there? I don't know. Probably I should tune the truck a little bit before. Oh no. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Holy fuck. Oh my god. That's okay, we did it. Look at these guys. I don't care if I hit that car. The trailer is okay. No damage at all. But yeah, for sure, this truck needs some modifications. Probably not the open diff, probably a welded one. And probably I will need to add more wheels. I mean, no, it's okay with these wheels, but I need more power. No, wait, I do need to climb. I need to climb that one. Holy, I don't know if I can make it, dude. I need to get speed. That's the option. Only option I have is to gain speed. But this truck, it's slow. Oh no. Come on. Can I make it? Can I? I'm slowing down. I need to go with the first gear. I can't make it without that. Poor engine. It's gonna blow. Can he do it? No, I need to go like this. Okay, I'm gaining speed, that's good. Probably this car needs a better engine. Like I have the stock one, 8 liters, which is not strong. Probably will need a 10 or 12 liters. I will buy an engine. It's I checked before and it's not that expensive. I mean, it's like 20k. It's not much. We're gonna sacrifice some money for the engine for this truck and not make that car, because come on, this truck is gonna make us more money than that car. So yeah, I have 67. Not bad. I think now we have to go to the right. Oh, I have to go to the port. Okay. And here I need to be slow because this turn is a sketchy one. I'm curious if here in the port I can get a trailer job with this. I will take one, but not very far. I mean 2-3 kilometers. This one was kind of far. Or I should better go upgrade the truck and maybe come back here to get the truck delivery, a cargo trailer, because it's more cheaper. It's more faster. Sorry. Yes, and it's cheaper. Like you saw, I was there very lucky to get a 7K. Like, nice. We are so close. I think I'm gonna park inside this. Like this. It's okay. Drop off. 10K. That's not bad. That's very good. Good money, good stuff. Alright. And let's see if I can take a job from here. I will check the prices. Alright, let's see this one. Trailers, 50. 3.8. This one 3.8, 3.2, 3.6, 3.8. 3.2. These ones are not bad. Like 3.2, 5K. 3.8, 6K. Well, that's not bad. Okay. And let's check the other one at the exit door, because there is another one there. Let's see. Here, I think. No? Let's see. 6K. Oh, okay, they're the same. Alright. Alright. We got here. Now, let's upgrade the engine. How much money I have? 36K. I mean, that's not bad. Let's take this. That's a very good. That's a very good price I have now. Use this one. Parts. All parts. Frame. Lock the engine. This one. Oh, it's okay. Gasoline. Diesel i6. Merlin. Okay, 80K. Well, that's not much, but 27 liters V12. That's something else. Let's take it. Okay, for the fuel, I only need one. I don't need two. Like 300 liters gone right now. Okay. What else? Front axle. Brakes. Man, the brakes are okay. I don't mind. Rear frame. Drive shaft. Okay, I got locking differential. Let's see how the car sounds now. No? No? It's not starting? No? Oh, I think it's a gasoline. Let's see. That's very nice. Finally have power. Let's see for the engine. Can I modify something? Lock long. Okay. This one. It's good. This one is good. Engine mount stock. Pump. Of course. The best one. Natural aspiration. Yes. 4-speed. Automatic. Okay. So our truck is ready, guys. That's very nice. I love this car. But yeah, guys, I think this is the episode for today. Thank you for watching, and of course, I see you next time.